How to use Xfinity Camera without service. I'm going to tell you how to use an Xfinity Camera even if you don't have their subscription service. First, understand that officially, Xfinity cameras are locked to the Xfinity Home app and require an active plan, so you can't just plug it in and use it out of the box. But there are a few workarounds. The main option is to repurpose it as a regular IP camera by connecting it through your home Wi-Fi and using third-party software like Blue Iris, iSpy, or Tiny Cam Monitor. Though setup can be tricky because Xfinity firmware limits access. Some users reset the camera and flash it with custom firmware, which then lets you pair it with apps that support RTSP or ONVIF. Another option is to connect it directly to a smart home hub that supports camera integrations. Keep in mind, these methods aren't officially supported and may void warranties, but they do let you get use out of your Xfinity camera without paying for the monthly service.